Hi students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. We are learning our third chapter 3.5 section. I hope you all of you learning everyday portion. So this week we have the exams. So learn for that, concentrate that and write it. So prepare for that. So we have up to 3.4 exercise for the exam. So this 3.5 is not for the exam. So 3 to 3.4 you need to learn. Okay. So in this last day's class I gave 3 homeworks. I hope you all of you completed and checked down the answers. So 2 more problems are left in there. One example and one exercise. We will complete that now. Okay. Example 3.30. Before that we need to learn one condition. Take down your book. I don't know the page number in your book. Take down this to your note. Condition for the straight line y is equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus a square is c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. So this is the formula we are going to use for the next problem. The formula for tangent c, that is conditions of tangent c is c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. So to take down to your note, afterwards start to write this example. Okay, writing the question. The given equations are x square plus y square minus 64 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus k equal to 0. What's the condition for tangent c? Now only I said. So condition of tangent c is, what's the condition? C square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Okay, so here we are going to find out all the value. What's the value of a square here? A square. So this one, if you need, you write it here. So x square plus y square is equal to a square. Is it right? So 64. Correct. So it is in the form of compare with x square plus y square is equal to a square. So in the place of a square, what's there? 64. Okay. Then next one. M is equal to. So how will you find the slope? How will you find the slope? Separately you find out the slope also. So 3x plus 4y minus k. So what's the slope formula? Last year you have like minus coefficient of x by y. So minus 3 by 4 is its m value. Then constant, that is c value. That is y-intercept. Y-intercept, what's the formula? That is k by 4. Understand? That is minus of constant by y. Okay, so y, that is k by 4. Understand? We have found out all the values. Substitute here. C square, that is k by 4 the whole square is equal to 64 into 1 plus minus 3 by 4 the whole square. So k square by 16 is equal to 64 into 1 plus 9 by 16. So k square by 16 is equal to 64 into 16 plus 9 by 16. So k square by 16 is equal to 64 into 25 by 16. So you can cross multiply, otherwise here itself you can cancel. Okay, so cancel. So k square is equal to 64. How we can write a square? 8 square into this one. How will you write a square? 5 square. So all the squares will get cancelled. K is equal to square root of 8 into 8 square 5 square. So k is equal to 8 into 5. So k is equal to plus or minus 40. This is the answer. Understand? Very easy. Okay. So find the value of k so that the line, two line is given. So that one line is given is a tangent to the one point is given x square plus y square minus 64 equal to 0. So from that you find out all the CCAM value, substitute and find out the K value. So now I am giving one small homework in this exercise. So take down in your book. Homework is exercise 3.5 problem number 4, same as this question. Okay, there you will find P value. In this problem K we have found out their P value. Understand, students? Okay, shall we move to the next topic, conics. Okay, so this all the things if you need to write to your notes, it will be very difficult. So you please learn everything from your book, but it is very important. The reason is next year 12th standard. In 12th standard, 3rd chapter, first section, you are going to, we will apply this there. Okay, so the next year, you can't learn this condition, open, upward, downward, everything. So now you are learning the basic alone. So if you learn the basic now, next year you will feel easy. So it is very important. So learn it very thoroughly. Understand? So each and every concept is very important. I will explain line by line. You go through to your book. That is from conics page number I don't know. So conics, that conics topic too. Many things are there. Before example 3.31, nearly 2-3 pages are there. So everything I will explain in your book. You learn from your book. Understand? All of you take down your book and listen with me. No need to write all the things to your note. Okay. So conics. If a point moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point bears a constant ratio to a perpendicular distance from a fixed straight line, then the path described by a moving point is called the conic. So what you mean by conic? So it's the fixed line. Okay, it's the fixed line. Okay, it's a fixed line. Here one fixed point, here one moving point. You keep it in mind. If a point moves in a plane, so it's a plane. It's a point P moves on a plane such that the distance from a fixed point, from this fixed point bears a constant ratio. The reason is it is a fixed point. Is it right? It's a moving point. So from here to here the distance will be always constant ratio to its perpendicular distance from a fixed straight line. It's a fixed straight line. Then the path described by a moving point. So whatever the point, path described by a moving point is called a conic. Got it all of you? What is conic? Then in the figure, the fixed point F is called the focus. So this is called the focus. Fixed straight line L is called the directrix. Each and every line and word is very important. Learn it. So here it is focus. This is directrix. This P point is moving point. Such that this all the things you will use it. Okay. Fp by Pm is equal to E. So Fp by Pm equal to E is the constant. Here the locus of P is called the conic and the constant E is called the eccentricity of the conic. So this all the words you are learning newly. Okay. So this is very important. So what's the name of this one? Focus. Okay. Then what's the name of this fixed line? Directrix. So Fp by Fm will be a constant E. Okay. Then the locus of P is called the conic. Constant E is called the eccentricity of a conic. So each and everything is important. Learn it. Okay. Next. Based on the value of the eccentricity, we can classify the conics. How we will explain the describe the conics. Okay. So if eccentricity value is 1, that is if E value is equal to 1, E is 1 means the conic is called a parabola. So this all the things they will ask in one verse. So E value is equal to 1 means what's the conic name? Parabola. E value less than 1 means what's the conic name? Ellipse. E value greater than 1 means what's the conic name? Hyperbola. Understand? E value 1 means parabola. E value less than 1 means ellipse. E value greater than 1 means hyperbola. Again, shall we repeat? E value 1 means parabola. E value less than 1 means ellipse. E value greater than 1 means hyperbola. Okay. Then the general second degree equation represents a pair of straight lines if this value is equal to 0. That is, pair of straight lines means what's the condition? This all we will use. This condition will be 0. If it is a circle means what's the condition? A is equal to B and H is equal to 0. This all the things you need to learn today itself thoroughly. Understand? Otherwise you will confuse a lot. Then if the above two conditions are not satisfied, then for parabola and ellipse and hyperbola it's given. If hyperbola means height square minus AB equal to 0. If ellipse means height square minus AB value less than 0. If it is a hyperbola means height square minus AB value greater than 0. Understand? But in this chapter we will learn about only parabola. We are not going to learn ellipse, hyperbola and then we are going to learn parabola alone. But you need to learn this all the things for one words question. It will be helpful for you. Okay, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, it will be useful for you. So you need to learn this all the things for one words. Okay. Next, come to know what you mean by parabola. A locus of a point whose distance from a fixed point is equal to the distance from the fixed line is called a parabola. The distance from a fixed point to fixed line, that locus of a point is called the parabola. So y square is equal to 4ax is a standard equation of parabola. They will ask what is the standard equation of parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax is a y square is equal to 4ax is a standard equation of parabola. It will be open upward. So we are going to learn open rightward, upward, up, down, left, right. Okay, so y square is equal to 4ax form means open rightward. This is a parabola. Okay, so we are going to learn everything. So this one is important, that is definition for each and everything. Focus definition, directrix definition, axis definition, vertex definition, focal distance, focal chord, lattice rectum. All the things are given in your book. Just I am reading. The fixed point used to draw the parabola is called the focus. Focus is f is equal. This one is important. Okay, f a comma 0. Then directrix means x equal to minus a. Then axis. Read it. Then vertex v of 0 comma 0. Focal distance, focal chord, lattice rectum. You read it everything. Otherwise afterwards you can see. So this is a main thing. First one, open leftward. So see here, what's parabola is opening? Leftward. If the parabola is open leftward, what's the general standard form? Y square is equal to minus 4ax. So open leftward means y square is equal to minus 4ax. Rightward means y square is equal to 4ax. Now I thought. So here this is a vertex. Okay, this is a vertex 0 comma 0. This is focus. Focus f is equal f of minus a comma 0. Okay. So this all the things we will learn by using the separate tabular column. We will learn afterwards. Then next one, open upward. Open upward means x square equal to 4ay. See here, focus is getting changed. Then here, open downward. Now you can see the tabular column. This is very important. You need to by heart this. So equations. This is open rightward. This is open leftward. This is open upward. This is open down. Okay. So right means it will be a positive. Y square is equal to 4ax. Same time upward means also it's a positive by x square is equal to 4ay. Then it is leftward. This is downward. Okay. So what's the axis for rightward? Axis y equal to 0. Vertex v of 0 comma 0. Focus, directrix, length of lattice rectum, equation of lattice rectum. Each and everything there will be a small change. This two always it will be equation of directrix x equal to minus a means for open upward y is equal to minus a. So that's all the small changes there will be. So you need to by heart this. Without learning this you can't do problem. So each and everything you need to learn. Y means they will give one simple equation. We will find out whether it is open upward, rightward or something. Then afterwards you need to find the axis, vertex, focus, equation of directrix, length of lattice rectum, equations of lattice rectum by using this tab. Understand? So because of that this is very important. Learn it. Next one. So remaining in that, then you are doing the problem. I will explain now. So only one problem we will do now. Okay. So example. So this all the things you don't need to write your note. Just you read out from your book and learn it. Okay. So very example 3.31. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is given and whose directrix also given. Okay. So using that you can draw one symbol diagram. This is directrix. I said this is right. So what's the directrix? X plus 2y. So from here to here it's a moving point p of x comma y. So one fixed point you can take here. It is fixed 1 comma 3. Okay, so all the things I have mentioned here. The name is here. Okay, then f is fixed point 1 comma 3 and directrix is x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Let p of x comma y, it's a moving point by any points on the parabola. Okay, so for parabola, what I said, what we have learned there, fp by pm equal to e, but e value is equal to 1 means it is parabola. Correct or wrong? Yes. So for parabola means fp by pm, the value is equal to how much? 1. So from this fp equal to cross multiply pm. Okay. So now you can find fp square. So fp square means so use the distance formula fp square. So what will happen? X minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square. Simplify x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 6y plus 9. Simplify x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10. Okay, so now shall we find pm? Pm equal to this formula you have learned already somewhere, that is you have learned. So what's the formula is? The formula is nothing but you no need to learn as a formula, that is plus or minus the equation of directrix. What's the equation of directrix? X minus y plus 2 divided by square root of the coefficient of x and y. What's the coefficient of x and y? 1 plus 1. So no need to learn as a formula, you learn like this. Okay, pm. How will you find the distance between this pm? Plus or minus the equation of the directrix divided by the coefficient of square root of x and y. Okay, that's all. So that's equal to plus or minus x minus y plus 2 divided by square root of 2. So if you find pm square, what will happen? X minus y plus 2 the whole square divided by 2. Okay, square root will be changed as 2. So a plus b plus c the whole square, you know the formula. What's the formula for a plus b plus c the whole square? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. You will use the formula here. X square plus y square plus 4 minus 2xy minus 4y plus 4x divided by 2. Okay. So now what did he do? What I said, the distance will be constant. Is it right? The distance will be the constant. The reason is fp is equal to pm. You have wrote there. Okay. So fp equal to pm, same as that fp square is equal to pm square. So apply the values here. So what's the fp square value? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 is equal to pm square value x square plus y square plus 4 minus 2xy minus 4y plus 4x divided by 2. Cross it here, multiply each and every term with 2. So 2 into x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 is equal to x square plus y square plus 4 minus 2xy minus 4y plus 4x. Okay, so simplified 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x minus 12y plus 20 equal to x square plus y square plus 4 minus 2xy minus 4y plus 4x. Bring all the terms to one side. So 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x minus 12y plus 20 minus x square minus y square minus 4 plus 2xy plus 4y minus 4x is equal to 0. Simplify 2x square minus x square means x square. 2y square minus y square means y square. Then xy there is no term. So plus 2xy. X term this and this, so minus 8x. Y term 2 terms are there. So minus 8y. Then here on plus 20 minus 4. So plus 16 is equal to 0. This is a required equation of parabola. Understand students? Have you got it? So very easy. So FP by PM is equal to E. That is, for parabola means E value will be 1. Cross it, FP is equal to PM. Afterwards, find out FP value. Afterwards, find out PM value. Both are equal. We have found out. So square also will be equal. Equate it. Bring all the terms to one side and simplify. You will get the answer. Understand, students? Have you got it? I hope you all of you understand. So this one you do it. So one more problem we will do. Okay, example 3.32. So I am reading the question. Find the focus, vertex, equation of directrix, the axis and the length of the lattice rectum of the parabola. Okay, so here the given equation is given y square is equal to minus 12x. We will use the tabular column here. Okay, so it is in the form y square is equal to minus 4ax. If it is minus 4ax means open where? Open leftward, correct? So when you are drawing the diagram, it will be open leftward. Okay, so it's an axis, x-axis, it's y-axis. What is the vertex for open leftward? See and say from the tabular column. Open leftward, open leftward. What's the vertex formula? V of 0, 0. So here it will be correct. 0, 0. Then what's the focus for open leftward? Minus a, 0. It will be nearly here. Is it right? So first you need to compare the value and find out the a value. Okay, where in the place of minus 4a, what's there? Minus 12a. So compare it and find out the a value. 4a equal to 12. So a equal to 3. So what's the focus formula? Focus minus a, 0. So what's the value? Minus 3, 0. So minus 3, 0 means it will be nearly here. Is it right? It is focus. Then next one, vertex. V of h, k equal to vertex. What's the formula? 0, 0. Next what they asked? Equation of directrix. What's the formula for equation of directrix? X equal to a. What's the value? X equal to 3. Then next one, what they asked? Its axis is, what's the axis here? X-axis, whose equation is y equal to 0. Then length of the lattice rectum, what's the formula? 4a. 4 into 3 means 12. This all things. Understand, students? Understand all of you? So x equal to 3 is a directrix. So where it will be? Here. X equal to 3. Understand? Please, students, this is a main work for you today. Learn this tabular column thoroughly. Now see, open leftward, y equal to 0. That's the axis equation. Vertex 0, 0. So only if you know the a value, we'll do all the things. So that only we have did now. Okay. So you open upward or rightward or leftward, you need to compare and find out. And afterwards, you need to do by using this. So this one you need to learn. Then only it will be easy. So before next class, you by heart it. So we will start from next example in our next class. So before that, please learn it. Okay. Okay, students. We will meet in the next class. We'll start from example 3.33. Okay, students.